This video is going to show you how to wire an RJ45 jack. Tools you're going to need are Cat5 cable, punch down tool, cable ring tool, electrician scissors, RJ45 jack, and the backing tool is optional. First step is to remove approximately 3 inches of sheath from the cable. Remove the cut string and separate the wires. Once the wires are separated, make sure to follow the alpha color code on the RJ45 jacks. Press all wires into place, ensuring to follow the proper color code. Once all the wires have been put with the right colors, make sure you have the 110 blade on the punch tool where cut faces outwards and punch down all of the cables. Lastly, put the protective shielding on the RJ45 jack.